What is elastic potential energy? Use your fingers to stretch a rubber band. Then release it. What happens to the rubber band? A rubber band is elastic. An object that is elastic can return to original shape after being pulled or pushed. When a rubber band is stretched, it stores energy. This stored energy is released as kinetic energy when the rubber band is released and flies off. Elastic potential energy is energy stored in an elastic object when wrist pulled or pushed. The stretched rubber band, the bent poles, and the stretched springs of the trampoline all possess elastic potential energy. What work do these objects do when the stored energy in them is released? What is gravitational potential energy? Does a stationary rock on top of a cliff have any energy? The rock has a huge mass and is high up on a cliff. It has a lot of gravitational potential energy. Gravitational potential energy is the energy stored in an object due to its elevated or raised position. An apple on a tree has gravitational potential energy. So does a helicopter hovering in the air. What is kinetic energy? Imagine a speeding car knocking down a barrier. The car can send the barrier flying many meters away. This is because a speeding car has a large amount of kinetic energy. Kinetic energy depends on the mass and the speed of the object. The greater the mass and the speed, the greater the kinetic energy. What is electrical energy? Have you experienced a power outage before? If you have, then you would understand how important electrical energy is in our daily lives. Electrical energy is a form of energy made available by the flow of electric charges. Electrical energy is widely used because it can be easily generated, transmitted, and converted to authoriform energy. It is generated in power stations from energy overhead or underground. Electric cables transmit the electricity generated to substations, and from the substations to our homes and industries. Electrical energy is converted to other forms of energy when we use it to power electrical appliances or devices from the mains. Electrical energy from electric cells or batteries is used to power electrical devices that do not need much energy to work. Watches, mobile phones, electric torches, and remote controls are some devices that run on electric cells or batteries.